On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. Happy Tuesday. And we're literally back to where we started Monday. we're legit like literally right there again. So welcome back. It's like Groundhog Day, Monday. Great trading day yesterday, and we're literally back. We're back where we started. Everybody, let's jump into the chat. What is going on, everybody? Look at this. We have gone up and we have gone down. They say you take the elevator down. I think we took the elevator up and then stairs down, but here we are. We took the SFP yesterday and we took a bunch of longs. Took a short yesterday. I mean, on fire. Took a really bad loss yesterday and an absolute knob cheese of a trade for AlexOCrypto. However, $3,000 loss is kind of embarrassing, but I battled back, guys. I battled back, and I ended up having made $2,000 yesterday, so not gonna complain. I'm just gonna say a very stupid loss yesterday. However, it's part of trading. That's part of trading. Morning Bitcoin crashed to prices not seen since yesterday. I mean, yeah. Head and shoulders. How many people are just going to come on here and say, we got a head and shoulders analysis here, guys? There's going to be so many people just coming on here saying head and shoulders, knees and toes. I mean, I'm pretty good at that song. Oh, a little sweep right now. I'm pretty good at that song. Okay. Did we take the low? We took this low. Nope, not even. I'm still not interested, guys. This is like they're trying to tease here. You see all the exhaustion wicks down here? It's trying to tease, man. It's a big tease. It makes you want to take an SFP trade down here. I will not. Probably will go, but I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it today. I'm not joining the SFP club. I think the SFP will wreck you today. Like discussed this morning in my update video for the Discord, They're either just going to bleed this out very, 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 very painfully, or they're gonna send it like a rocket ship, like pa, right? And you're gonna catch it either way. Either way, you're gonna catch it, right? You're not gonna. They want you to think SFP long right now. If these market makers they're tricky lately, but they won't trick the otter gang. How are we all doing? Should we do some more TA? I can fill up the entire screen and we can do some more TA. How about that? Just bring it back to yesterday. We might as well, if it's going to trade like yesterday, we might as well just not show you the chart and trade just like yesterday. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Thank you for being here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How we all doing? Yeah, it's done it 3 times. It's failed to close back within the range and push out. So it's tempting to long. I get it. I'm tempted. I will refrain. I mean, this would be your long trade setup up to the VWAP, and you could make money. You could make money. Put a 1 in the chat if you're looking to long this. Blue collar trader, what's going on? Aldo, good morning. DG, what's going on? Daniel Carr Prude, much love, bro. Jojo, Aldo, Victor. When we're bleeding out this heavy, it's like you don't want to. I wouldn't want to touch it, man. I wouldn't want to touch it. What's going on, McCall? Miller, Curb Star, what's going on? Jesse Haluk, Sri M Pandy, Blue Collar, Ero, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Thank you for being here, Pandy. Steve Hockey, Steve O. We got Steve O, Steve Hockey. Just be Steve. We used to have, what was it, 10 Daves in here? You guys were all watching women's speed skating. Or curling. Yay, ladies yelling at marble. It's like when a woman's picking her kitchen. Is that too far? Hey, Cozy, good morning. Good to see you, Aldo. Trace, good to see you, Froth. How you doing, man? G1. Let's get it. I agree. Let's get it. One of these is gonna go. It's just which one. We're not really not keen on longing this down here. It looks tempting, but let's look at CVD. Yeah, CVD is bad too, guys. The CVD's, sorry, I'm looking at CVD without you guys. Yeah, there's no signs of strength in here. This is just, yeah, look at this, just bleeding out. Short stepping up. Pushing out here. I don't like it, guys. I really don't like this. I don't like the price action. When looking at this chart, what we need to understand, there's massive volume down here. So if this, then that. Always if this, then that. So we want to take this low. And then, yeah, we're coming back into here. We extend that up a little bit here. Yeah. Damn. Everybody getting all excited yesterday. Heavy volume down here. So if they're going to send it, like I said, it's going to be aggressive because there's macro volume node in here. So they need to do some oomph if they're going to send it down, in my opinion. Now, this is sufficient bottoming structure, but in this environment, the way it's coming down, the way it's just bleeding down, stair stepping, you need to see minimum structure change, retest and go at a key area. So we haven't taken the low here yet. We haven't taken the high yet. So what do? We should be looking for shorts. That's what we should be doing. Yeah. However, it's early, guys, so let's be patient here. What's going on? Overcome, good to see you. Mark Gustafson, Dusty, Jesse, JDM Kids, Dammy, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Arrow, I like an Arrow chocolate bar, man. Alexander G, good to see you. How you doing? God bless. Drive safe into work. Goku, Bruce, Hefe, Dardar, what's going on, Dardar? McCall, it's fun to say. Piper's in the chat. We better behave ourselves. Say Dardar. It rolls off the tongue pretty nice. Good morning, Nathan Joseph, who always tags me. I'm gonna put you in a timeout next time you tag me. Just a warning sign. I've just put a warning sign in there. No CME gaps, no Montreal Canadiens, and no tagging my damn name in the chat for my attention. It's like my toddler does that enough, okay? Mark, good to see you. Danny, JDM, good to see you. Jay, Mind Mates, Jesse, how you doing? Hafiz, good to see you as well. Smack, VW, Archbishop, let's go, man. Madara, Banana Republic. The 4+ hour candles still show bullish uptrend. I mean, sure. But your 4 hour hasn't mitigated any significant highs, right? Like, I mean, your 4 hour here needs to really, it's kind of funny. It needs to take this high here. I mean, you haven't closed above this high here. All you've put in is a lower high in here. So I don't know. Your 4 hour plus thing is, maybe you're looking at Market Cipher. Market Cipher does not have that suggestion either. This looks horrible. There's no strength here. You have 3 drives. This would be your Adam and Eve pattern, right? This would be your head and shoulders pattern if you're a pattern trader, right? We're chopping at the bottom right now, trying to hold on. You have liquidity and lots of liquidity to come and take. So if this and that, I'm treating this like a range, right? So we have our highs and we have our lows. That's it. So if we see the right things in here, we can get long and look to target the highs again. That's as simple as I can keep it, right? If we lose this level, then we're rotating back down to 63. We look at 63. Why? Because we're looking at the volume nipples, as Piper will call them, 63,000 here. So we're trying to hold on to the big daddy up top here at 67. All right. If we lose 67, we're probably going to 63, guys. So be aware of that. If this and that, always that. Just a little bit of patience here. This is probably going to be the low, and I'm going to regret it, but just not Solana. Yeah, it's not. Doesn't look appealing to me. It looks like it can roll over pretty hard. Especially with the Market Cipher higher term time frame, like 4, 3, 2, and 1. This all looks like it's going to roll over, all of it. Maybe the 1 hour is going to come back. Maybe. I don't like maybe, though, when I trade. Maybe doesn't help me make money. Maybe gets me into trouble. Maybe definitely gets me into trouble. How's everybody doing this morning? You guys all watching the Olympics? Archbishop, G1. Top of the morning, not again. Why do you like Sui? I like Sui. Why do I like Sui? I just think after doing some research, it's like a layer 1 that has potential to to push out. The developers are good. Former Facebook peoples, right? So former Meta. I think their team was good. I don't know how well they'll do now, but we'll see. We'll see. I mean, they're all shit coins, right? That's why you don't allocate too much money to them relevant to your amount of money. What's going on, Sniper? Good to see you, man. Welcome back. How's the doctors treating you? Are you getting better or what, my man? Hell yeah, good to see you, Charles. JDM Kids, Banana Republic, good to see you. DJ, Keen Bean. Long. A bunch of y'all long. Wayne, good to see you. Froth Dog, DG. Hero. No long, it's the head and shoulders. That's why I like you. Curtis L. Buck, good to see you, man. How you doing? FJ Trading in the chat. Decent Crypto. Aldo, good to see you. Curling. Hey, handsome. I'm telling you, my son knows how to open the door now. I'm telling you, this is new interference with trading. It's new interference. Ooh, almost a hanging man engulfing candle. Almost a long setup. Almost. So close. I mean, that new skill he's unlocked, man, it's dangerous. Trade intuition back to lurking, getting ready for work. How you feeling, man? I think you were sick. Hopefully you're doing better, bro. God bless. Mab the Great. Al. Felipe Collin. Soul. Down. Through Asia and UK. Yeah, they all rolled over through Asia, yeah. The real Goku. Baby Otter. Now he can put gang. Tony Soprano. What's going on, my man? How you doing? Welcome to yesterday's open. Yeah, exactly. We're right back to where we started. Miguel, what's going on? Blockchain Crusader. Good to see you, bro. Mr. Young, retail sales month over month. Yeah, we got that in 10 minutes. We got retail sales, guys. Retail sales month over month here. Okay, Solana's trying to push out here. Downwards trend. Trying to get going here. Trying to get going into retail sales. This is still looks weak. Lower high. Guys, I want a long just as bad as you guys, but it's not. I don't think long is the play right now. I don't think it's the play. I'm going to trust my gut on this one. I feel like everybody's trying to long this SFP. It hasn't even taken this low. And it's going to go wee. Everybody going to try to buy it up. And they're going to get wrecked today. Do you know what the tell is? The tell is NASDAQ. Okay, before I give you guys all the information, because, I like to keep it secret. I'm kidding. But if we look, I know you can't see because of all my squiggly lines, okay? What happened last Monday, everybody? All right, where are we at with today's Monday? Just saying, it looks eerily similar. All right. I'm just saying. I'm just the messenger. Do not shoot the messenger. You can leave you want. If you don't like a bearish idea. It looks the damn same, man. It looks the damn same. Bart Simpson creeping upwards. I don't know. You guys tell me. If this dumps today, you can call me a wizard, Harry, okay? Into Bart Simpson's ears. Bart Simpson just had like a little bit of surgery here. Anyways. Just saying. Looks stumpy to me. Humpty Dumpty. Look at this morning start. This doesn't look good to me. Does this look good to you guys? This looks like pain. Okay, now that I've scared you all, we can still make money from this, guys. What's going on, Cubanadian? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Assassin, good to see you. Slick Shoes. Mr. Pixel. We're almost done our Valentine's sale. I better post that. Just in case someone wants to join in. I mean, yesterday in the Discord, how many trades did you get in the Discord yesterday, guys? Oh my God. It was like, I gave you guys a setup on the live stream. I gave you a short. Kyle gave you a short. Incredible. There's like 3 or 4 trades. Just yesterday. You talking about practice? Guys, I'm going to regret not taking the SFP, aren't I? You guys are all long, aren't you? You guys are all long because Alex is a pansy, an namby-pamby. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I need to know now. You guys can rub it in. You guys can say, Alex, your weak character didn't allow you to long here, and you should have taken the long. You can say it. Spit it out. Come on, make me feel the FOMO. You fuckers. Oh, man. Oh, see what they do to me here? You come on here to say, hey, Alex, why didn't you take that trade? Hey, Alex, you suck. Shorting gold and silver. Turtle trader. Let's go, man. No diggity. Good morning. Look at all these otters. Yeah, I know, wifey. It's crazy. I don't even know how many otters there are nowadays. It's crazy. I didn't expect this channel to grow the way it has, but I guess we're doing something right. We got data coming out in 6 minutes if you are long, everybody. Major economic pillar. I wish my wife called it that. Your major economic pillar. Sorry, Piper. I couldn't resist. Are you going to be talking about my major economic pillar today on your show? Oh, man. Good thing my son isn't in the room, eh? Look at all you longs in here. Yo, what's going on, Face? Good morning, bro. I'm talking about a major economic pillar, bro. This thing's about to fall off a cliff, in my opinion. How you doing, bro? What's up, Newbie Crypto, Banana Republic, TMB Willow? How's the trading going? You know I will. I'm going to point it at the people and show them how short it is. Markets are for here. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. there is a bit of hopium. So market cipher worked perfect yesterday. I will salute it for that. 2 hour trigger wave. We took the long on the live stream. Perfect call. Showed weakness 1 hour trigger wave to the downside. We took this last night. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Treat this like a range, right? So whenever you have a violent bottom, you treat it like a range. And then eventually, what happens with any flag pattern? Fucking flags. With any flag, even on, because all time is fractal, right? With any flag, there's always a, and then we go. There's always this. We haven't had that yet. Okay, that happens. It even makes that noise when it happens. Okay, so be aware. I don't think we're out of the woods yet. I think this needs to roll over. NASDAQ looks weak. But we got double bottom on market cipher. However, it's a little bit different, this one, right? What's the difference between this one and yesterday's? Well, look, money flow, right? Money's coming out. Money's coming out. Difference. Money was coming in yesterday. Okay, very simple. So be aware of that. Could we get pushed back here? Absolutely. We got a little stiletto pattern here. A wee little stiletto. I don't know why it just spun. Trying to hold on here. We'll see. Hasn't taken the low yet, though. Hasn't taken this low. Trying to push back here. All you guys who are long, I'm jealous, but that's okay. We'll see how it goes. The 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. The 4 hour, the 4 hour suggests that we could come up by like 3 o'clock here if we're gonna push. Okay. My issue is like this money flow needs to make a higher low here. We need to see some sort of curvature in and push back. And this says 3 o'clock. So if we start pushing into 3 o'clock, this could look juicy. Could look juicy. We got inward curvature on the 3, the 2, and the 1. Trying to cross that 0 line. Steve ruggling a little bit right now. So structure break, push out, structure break, and then go would be better. And taking this low would be better. Even these lows scare everybody. A little spook and pop. So for now, I'm not a fan of longs down here yet. It hasn't done its job. This is a sweep. Did not take the liquidity out of the low. I still wait. Either way. We got news coming out in, 50 seconds now? Here comes the news. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. Buenos dias. So for you, the bottom was 59K? No. It was a bottom. Bottoms take time, right? So bottoms take time. You need some sort of an accumulation at the lows, right? It was a good liquidity sweep destroyer candle wick thingy. It's a strong candle, but bottoms take time. You look at any sort of bottoms, macro bottoms, they take time. So is that a low? Yes, it's a pretty good low. Is it the low? No, I don't think so. I mean, look, bottoms take time. You look anywhere, bottoms take time, bottoms take time, bottoms take time, bottoms take time. Okay? They all take time. And normally the first one isn't sometimes the first one's a good one. Sometimes the first one, FTX collapse. Sometimes. But not generally. I remember this one here. This was the carry trade. I'm sure CryptoFace remembers this. I think you made $1.2 million shorting this face. I'm pretty sure you did. Fucking legend trade, carry trade. I remember this dump because you shorted it. That's why I always remember it. But look, they come back. They come back to get you. Right? And this was pretty nasty too. But who cares? Once you get structure change and then you get higher lows, who cares if you're long here or if you're long here? and you catch this move. I'd actually prefer to catch this because you get paid a lot faster here than waiting through all this shit. All right. Not bad here. Trying to push out. Still waiting. You all better hit the like button, otherwise Alexandra will get mad. Yeah. I wouldn't mind if you guys hit the like button. That would be all right. I mean, I just say good morning, man. Don't be a weirdo. Just say good morning. That's all I ask. Buenos dias, plumber. Good to see you. Yanrick. Don't give hopium, please. I mean, I should have longed, but I didn't. You're on fire. So proud of you, bro. I'm proud of you too. Happy to be your friend. I switched to short because of you. So if we pump, I will get angry at you. That's okay, man. Just have a banana if you're going to get hangry. You guys are all long. Zusammenfloss. That's the one, man. That's the one. Guys, I'm gonna rage quit. I'm gonna rage quit that I didn't have the balls to long that. Okay. Hit the like button. I don't want any problems. Thank you, Guy. Good to see you, man. Highs being taken on the 3 minute. So the news came out. Retail sales at 0%, forecasted 0.4. The market seems to not decrease to 0. What the hell is this data, man? This is why you go to Piper Academy. I mean, so it was up in November, then it's down in December. You know why? Because of Black Friday, man. Black Friday, everybody's shopping. That's why. Duh. Who's going shopping? Who's going shopping in January? This is going to be so bad next month. No one's going shopping in January. You just spent all your money in Christmas. Black Friday, Christmas, it makes sense. People spending money. A little bit of a push up here. With the NASDAQ pushing up too. It likes it. So a little push on news. 391 people here. Thank you for being here. Smacking up the like button. Joining the Discord. Damn, I should have shorted. Or I should have longed. I'm jealous of all y'all now. Shopping was December. Team Canada's hockey first game is coming very soon. Can't wait. Yeah, that's Thursday. We all marked it on our calendar. The data is unreliable. Short it? I don't want to fade this thing. Even in crypto. January sale. Yeah, the big dump. This pump is lame, man. This pump is lame. Alexander G doesn't get mad. I get mad at myself mostly. I only eat peaches in the morning. Bananas are for the ladies. Oh. He's a booty eater. That's what he's saying, guys. If you don't know the code, he's saying he likes to eat booty. Thank God we clicked that button that this is for people who are 18 and older. How can you tell strength from a squeeze? Increasing CVD, bullish candle patterns, failing to push price down, volume. Okay, so if you're looking at this, you can look at volume here. So you can see the volume in the candles, right? Strength. Look at the volume pushing out. So these are all just strength, right? There's no like right? That was the long right there. We missed it. Now we come up to our VWAP / downtrending momentum. So you can also see increase in CVD. You can see that here. So you see CVD is increasing, boop, 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 and price is going up with it, right? So it's just buyers stepping up, right? Shorts decreasing as well. Strength. Now you've pushed a little bit too hard here, so you might come back to test this guy in here. You might come back and test in here. We'll see. Soy Boy Lana looking good too. Nice push. Trying to attack these highs. Now we look at this high. VWAP. Bitcoin climbing. Solana climbing. NASDAQ. Indecisive now. Trapping traders at the highs. No trade for me. Still no trade. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. Thank you for being here. AlexOCrypto Show. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15 Eastern Standard Time. Trying to help you guys navigate the charts. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Join the Discord, best Discord in all crypto. We got a Valentine's sale. Use the code PINKBOX. It's only on for another, what is it? Yeah, it's only on for this week. Then it's gone. Then it's gone. Try it out. Give it a shot. 3 trades yesterday. I even gave it a trade live in the Discord. That was a pretty banger trade too, guys. Where was it? We got long right here. Look at this. Yeah, we got long right here. That was the trade in the Discord. I think we did all right. No delay. No delay. We just took it, showed you the trade, took the trade. Pretty sweet. Kyle gave a short. Take profits, hit on some of the swing trades. It's nonstop, man. It's just nonstop. So good. Kyle with the short. Yeah, Kyle with the short yesterday. That was good. Good little short. Boom, boom, boom. Play stop loss, break even. Walking you through, close the trade. Happy days. Yep. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, HRJ hidden take profits on XRP. Oof. Non-stop. Oh, shouldn't show them all these setups. Solana. ADA. Live streams. Lessons. I don't know what else you guys want from me. Chopping at the top here, so no touchy. No touchy. Nice push out here. Bullish divergence. Continuation trade. 3 minute looks okay. NASDAQ. A little bit of weakness here. Solana. Great candle. News driven though. News driven candle. Where's the volume, man? It just died. This is the worst thing about news. If you're not early to entering news, it's not always the greatest idea to enter news once it's occurred, because you're going to chop into market open. So your volume's just going to die down and you'll be trapped. You'll be sitting in here thinking, which is not a good place to be. These guys in here, they're stop loss to break even. They're just chilling, right? If it goes up, it goes up. But you get in a trade here. You've given yourself, if you're trading this right here, you have given yourself literally 20, 30, 50 minutes. So basically, you've given yourself an hour to think about what you just did. You're way too high to drive. Do you want to sit here for an hour and, you know, and you're going to top blast and it's going to come down, it's going to break your heart, and then it's going to actually move. Right? So always remember that with news data, especially at 8:30. 8:30 news, it'll come out, it'll go wiggy, 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 right? It actually makes that noise, and then it's like watching paint dry, which sucks. If you got long here, you Gucci, you just chilling. You've probably hit TP1 up here off of this high. Now you're just hanging out. For all you other people, good luck with all that. What's going on, Trench Juice? Isn't it bedtime for you, bro? Still don't have access. What was the news? It was just retail sales, okay, for December. It was nothing too spectacular. That was a great candle yesterday. Which one? The SFP. We took that SFP yesterday. That was good. And that long we took in the Discord was really good as well. Don't be jealous, Alex. You wouldn't have held that long. You are absolutely correct, Curbstar. I would have probably been out right here, front running this high, because you know how I trade. It's a fake pump. I love you too, Alex. Thank you for asking me not to get mad at yourself. I'm always that's probably negative self-talk is probably what I got to work on the most. I'm very hard on myself, which is good and bad. You bailed on MexC. You're back on Bitunix. Good. We wait here. Plywood? Plywood is women's speed skating. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but you guys are all watching Jake Paul's wife speed skate. I know you guys are. Don't tell me you're not. It's okay. It's not gay to watch hot women skate. Sorry about that. I mean, something's got to be said here, guys. I just clicked on the video. Guys. Is this too much? I think, children should not have to. I don't know. Jake Paul needs to get control of his woman. This is a little bit too much in my opinion. Okay? Every man here is now going to go watch her speed skate because they're perverts. It's a little bit much. She set a world record yesterday. But you guys are all gross. Nice continuation here. Doji engulfing. Bull div, stiletto, continuation out. Quarter to 9. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Baby Otter is awake. Yeah, he is definitely awake, man. He's full blown. Where do you share your analysis? In the Alex TA section. It's not called a camel toe. It's called a moose knuckle in Canada. If you know, you know. It's called a moose knuckle. Does any other culture? I know you guys are from all around the world. Do you guys have your own version of a camel toe? We call it a moose knuckle in Canada. Like maybe if you're like, I don't know, from the Arctic, it's a penguin sleeve or something like that. I don't know. I'm just being random here, okay? This is why we come. Trading's hard, okay? We need, we need a good laugh. In Michigan, you use both. Moose Knuckle has a a Cornish pasty. give JoJo a membership. I can't, guys. Oh man. Randy, leave. The chat right now is out of control. It's oh my god. Canadians are a different species. Yeah, we're something. We got the biggest group of TDS people in the world. Oh my god. Behave yourself, guys. Behave yourself. Nice continuation here, trying to push. He's trying to get in. He's trying to open the door again, little man. If you knew what we were talking about. This is such an ugly grind up, man. I'm upset I'm not long. I am. I'm kind of upset I'm not long. 450 people here, 138 likes. Thank you guys for liking the stream and hanging out here. Climbing slowly here. Climbing slowly. Nice push here. Rejection here, rolling over. Solana holding the support level would be good. Still waiting for a trade here, guys. No trade. Showing the trades, taking the trades. So far the account's doing all right. We last week we had like a 20 something, I don't know how much. We started at 10K on Monday. We're at almost 41,000 now. Slowly but surely. So, been doing good. Disciplined trading. Slow, painful trades sometimes. Quick base hits. That's kind of how I've been mitigating risk really fast. Trying to take profits and run away kind of deal without risking too much. I did take a bad loss yesterday. I was up $1,000. I took a $3,000 loss. So it's down $2,000. I battled back, and then I managed to make $2,000 on the day. So overall, poor loss. Like for me, with my size of my account, $2,000 is kind of, that would, I guess, 1% would be $3,000. But I try to only risk 2,000 max. 2,000 is a very easy, and I know this sounds like egotistical, but 2,000 is a very easy loss for me to make back due to my trading strategy, my risk management, my win rate. When I get over 2, I start to have red days. But that's just knowing yourself, right? I think like over time you just get into an idea of what works and what doesn't, and it's through losing. Losing is the most data rich information. Okay, winning is great, cool, we win. I have a very high win rate, but it's the losing is where you can take your fine tooth comb and look at what you were thinking, what was wrong, and how you can be better. So losing isn't necessarily a bad thing. It's what you do with the losses. Are the losses lessons, or are the losses you getting pissed off at yourself? Because if you can zoom in, like, where did I take my loss? Here. Okay, so for me, I was correct and I was wrong. Okay, so for me, I came in, we took the SFP yesterday, we made lots of money, up $1,000 on the live stream yesterday. I got long right here. VWAP holding on Solana, looking for follow through. Okay, I got in heavy here. Okay, my stop was here below this low for $2,000. This thing rolled over. I moved my stop down to here, to this high here, and this was down $3,500 here. It was chopping about, and I was like, you know what, Alex, you're an undisciplined little bastard. Take the loss. That's exactly what I said to myself. So I took the loss. I got out. Okay. And of course it went in the fucking right direction, guys. Of course it did. Okay, it's not. This always happens, right? But it's the undisciplined. I didn't greenlight myself. I came back from my shower. Okay, I had my shower. I came back from my shower and I just hit long. Okay. If I had been watching, we had bullish momentum. We should be looking for a pullback to the bullish momentum and continuation up. Right? And we reviewed this in the Discord, right? And then, guess what? We had another opportunity right here. And guess what? We took the long with the Discord here. Properly. Retest to previous highs. Continuation out. Right? So I was right here. I was way too early. Because I was early and I didn't have the confidence, I got out here. And I took a $3,000 loss. And guys, I would have been fucking paid and laid yesterday, but no. And that's the difference. This is the difference between minus 3,400, I think it is, and $10,000. That's the difference right there. Right? Because I was trying to hammer this move. Right? So it's information on how to be better. If you can take that information and apply it, well, guess what? Your trading will change forever. I promise you that. Where is it? Let me find it for you guys so I can show you guys how much of a meathead I was yesterday. There it is. Absolute knob cheese. $85.16, $85.16 right here, right? And closed it out $84.86 because I was a chicken shit, but I was wrong. I should have been down for 2,000. And like big position, that was a $1.2 million trade, like position size wise. I typically only put 400,000 down, so. But that's life, right? So why don't we long Sol now? So if a win equals paid and paid, what does laid equal? Laid equals trouble most of the time, unless it's your wife, Reggie. I've lost 7 of my last 8, but learned so much. Well, strategy too. Risk management strategy is very important. You should be able to lose 100 trades in a row and still have the same account. Melissa, good to see you. How you doing? GG for January. Good job, lasers. LJ, 20% loss. That's okay, man. we know what we're doing wrong a lot of the time. And a lot of the time we're over leveraged, over position sized, and we're trying to trade on hopium. You know, where that guy that guy's trying to like make the candle go up by blowing on it. You know? This guy. Right? Please, Mr. Bitcoin, please help me. Help me. I will blow you. Please, why aren't you going in the right direction? Don't be that guy, man. Embarrassing. Isn't that embarrassing? I've been there, man. I've been there like, come on, go, you know? I've been there. Please go back to break even. And then it goes back to break even, and I think it's going to continue, and then it goes back and erects me. Right? It's like, oh my God, you get you're short here, and you're like, if it just goes back to break even, and then it comes back to break even, and you're like, oh, it's going to go to zero now. It doesn't do that. It comes, and then it goes this way, fucking wrecked again, and you don't close it here. I've been there. We got a little balloon dog here forming, looking to tap into this order block right now. Can we come back? That is the question. Yep, that's me. Yeah, that's it, Jax. I know. I said you could lose. So if you're risking 1% per trade, you should be able to lose 100 trades. It's the magic number, right? That's why you risk 1%. Right? Trying to continue here. Here, let's let Grok tell us, okay? So when risking 1%, okay? After 10 losses in a row, 90% of your account, 80%. After 460 loss, so you still have over half of your account after risking 1%. 69. After 100 losses, 36 remains. You can survive 100 consecutive losses and still have a third of your account left. That is why the 1% rule is considered very safe for capital preservation. I mean, if you lose 100 in a row, I mean, join the Discord. Even in a good system, right? Right? This is why you risk 1%. Mediocre systems, 40% win rate, can easily see 15 to 25 in a row. Look at that, man. Right? Mediocre, guys. Right? Consecutive, high R multiple. After you lose it, usually reverses in your desired direction, paying with your emotions. That's it. Yeah, 100 in a row. That is ridiculous, man. I mean, you look at my last trading, right? I mean, I'm not right? Pretty disciplined, right? There's that $3,000 one, right? There's the $3,000 one. But I mean, we battle back, right? We battle back. That's it. You, Grok? Grok is faster. Grok is I think Grok's the fastest right now, man. I think Grok's the fastest right now. It's got the most data. And it's unbiased, and it's a truth seeker. ChatGPT is like woke bias. ChatGPT is absolute shite. I would use Cloud or Anthropic or Gemini before ChatGPT. Grok is way better. It's faster. It has more data. Anyways, we're not here to talk about who's the best AI. They're all just going to eat us alive anyways one day. Head and shoulders up at the highs here, failing to push. Continuation down. Looking for that retest right now, guys. No trade up in here. This is just a slow motion BHotch today. Congratulations on your longs, everybody. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful, beautiful morning. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. It's coffee time. The long setup's here, if you're wondering. It's coffee time. So all you guys who are long up here, I'm going to play you guys a song because you guys deserve it. And then we'll go. Let's go, baby. Thank you for being here. I'll be back.
Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trading hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, that candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure, waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a rally, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest to jam. That's the plan, but top lesson trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's crypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, vibes. Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling.
All right, enough of that. All you top blasters, man. All you top blasters. Thank you for being here, hanging out. What's going on, everybody? 420 people in here. Love it. Love it. All you stoners in here. Trees trees for days. I mean, I don't think smoking chronic's that bad. But I mean, I'm Canadian and I grew up like it's like oxygen here, you know. The stuff nowadays, though, like I haven't smoked in like 7 years now, but the stuff nowadays is like you got your like Afghan bubblegum Kush hashisha from Egypt. Like, I mean, we had like some good bud back in the day, but not like that. Like this isn't like Charlotte's Web shit, you know? Charlotte's Web's actually a really cool story. This girl with she had uncontrollable seizures, and they made a strand of marijuana, and she stopped having. It cut her seizures. Like she was nonstop, like 500 a day, and it cut it down into like I think 30 a day or something like that. Pretty cool, man. Like I'll never hate on the smokers. I don't suggest you smoke and trade unless you're like a very macro swing trader. Like scalp and stone, probably not a good idea. But I used to smoke a quarter a day back in the day. Like I smoked like for sure, like bongs, poppers, L papers, Century Sam, blunts, you name it. That's Canadian. However, dope is for dopes, man. I'll never hate on it, but you know, if you want to get somewhere, and you want to do something special with your life, you know, try quitting drugs and alcohol for a while. Eating right. Developing a little bit of a spiritual life, you know. God is good. And see what happens, man. Give it a chance. Give yourself a chance. I quit smoking. I used to smoke 2 packs a day. 2 packs a day, man. 50 smokes a day. Hacking darts. You know? It's I think that's why it's good to be here and hang out with you guys, because I'm just a regular stoner carpenter. And you know, that's it. Oh my God, it's Dave's birthday. What? Dave, can I get some double D's in the chat? Where's Dave? Is Dave here? Oh, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, if you didn't know, we gave Dave Digital his first wrench. Dave Digital. God bless you, bro. We love you. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to Dave. Happy birthday to Dave. You look like a monkey, and you act like one too. Woo! Happy birthday, Dave. We love you, man. God bless you, man. He's 30 today. Dave is 30. And still dirty. Let's go. Happy birthday, Dave. God bless you, man. Thank you for being with the channel from day one, man. Dave Digital is a day one motherfucker. It is definitely a Chernobyl balloon dog right now. Ancient swine. Definitely. Definitely. Dirty 30s. The best nostrils in all of crypto. Dave Digital. Fuck yeah, Dave. We love you, man. Thank you for always being around. What leverage size do you usually tend to use? So I typically trade like 800 to 1.2 million position size with 44x leverage. But because of the way the market's been moving, I've dialed that back down to probably $200,000 to $400,000 right now, just because it's been very choppy. We're looking for the view up short, yeah. Downwards momentum here, trying to crack it. Bearish divergence. Solana doesn't look that good either. Solana looks like it wants to roll. Holding the support level. NASDAQ. Liquidity created before market open. Bart Simpson, everybody. I'm telling you, this is a big warning sign. This is Bart Simpson-esque, okay? Back down to support. I'll just leave that for you guys to think about it, right? What are they doing in the morning? Enticing buyers. We always talk about this. What are they doing in the morning? News-driven SFP, enticing buyers. Trapping traders to create enough liquidity to dump it on your damn head. That's all I see. I don't know about you guys. You guys can do whatever the heck you want. As a short-term time trader, my trades are the SFP of this low, the retest of this previous highs with good confirmation candle patterns, the market structure change up here, rotation back down, the mitigation of this high, rotation and up. Okay. The failed SFP, continuation, jump on trend. So here, we have momentum downwards. We haven't slapped VWAP. We haven't come into this to mitigate this high. Take the liquidity. This is just liquidity grabbing, enticing buyers in the morning. So it's just, for me, there's no trade here, right? You guys know I'll always set you guys up with what I'm looking for and how I'm looking for it. And thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 15 minutes till market opens. Looking at this, so yeah, NASDAQ, concerning right now. Can it continue upwards, or are we going to Bart Simpson just like the last Monday? We had this exactly last Monday right here. Okay, boom, boom. All right, boom, boom. So be aware of that. We'll see how that goes for today. We just had some news today as well on the retail sales that came in. Completely flat, okay, under expectations for Christmas, but building liquidity to the upside. Solana rolling over back to where we started yesterday, okay, choppy, trying to hold 84. 78 is the critical level for Solana. However, we are range bound, so we're at the lows. We're looking for longs at the lows to rotate to the highs. We treat it like a range. Very simple, okay. Bitcoin, same deal here. We're looking at this head and shoulders. Okay, everybody and their brother and sisters calling head and shoulders here, which is fine. I can see it. Okay. However, massive support level here at 67. Massive support level here at 64. So what does that mean? Massive support means that we treat this like a range as well. So if we come down in here and we get bottoming structure, we can look to rotate back up to 71. Okay, treat it like a range until proven otherwise. Price is normally range bound. That's why we were able to short yesterday in the Discord here, as well as take the long up. So, crushing it, right? Giving you guys the long yesterday on the live stream. Great job. So that's a win. Looking to break out and get going here. Can it come back? We have some sell walls, golden pocket, order block, liquidity of the highs, VWAP. So we'll see how price wants to push up here. If it wants to continue, the trade was down here. I said I'm going to regret not taking the long here. And guess what? I do. I regret it. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. But I would have been out already. I would have taken profit. There's no way I would have sat through all this shit. But we'll see how it goes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Right now, I'm just trying to be patient and trying to wait. Trading is waiting. That's it, man. Trading is waiting. So we'll let price materialize. If it can give us some sort of setup, then we'll take it. If not, we wait, right? Trying to break out here. VWAP slap, potentially. Oh, is the sound gone again? I kicked the thing again. Not taking the... I think we're back. Are we back? Sound better? Sound back? Yeah, sound's back, I think. I think so. You can clip my beautiful singing if you want, Dave. God bless you, bro. And go in the chat. We're in a downtrend, so VWAP slaps a lot. It's enticing, but it's not something I'm looking to necessarily take after this push. We'll see. especially when we got 14 minutes till market open. It's like, do you want to risk it for the biscuit, or are we gonna, your long was down here, and I called it. If you were here early, I called it, and a whole bunch of you took it and rubbed it in my face, and I'm happy. I'm happy you're all winning, and I'm sitting here. I'm happy. There's the push. Jeez, what a push. That's why we didn't take the VWAP slap. Nice long, guys. Nice long. I'm jealous now. Yep, I've officially hit jealous stage here. Sweep of the highs. Okay, mitigation. I'm officially jealous now. Damn, Daniel. GG's on your longs. GG's on your long. Well, that was fun while it lasted. I also got jealous, yeah. Nice push off the lows here, guys, coming into market open. Holy smokes, Batman. Soy Boy Lana coming up for that VWAP slap as well. Bitcoin mitigation of the highs, trying to hold here and flip into resistance. Nice push for Bitcoin. This is definitely not where you long. Definitely not. Congratulations on your win, though, everybody who did get long this morning. GG's around the block. VWAP retest of previous lows, so we can look for the retest back into here for potential longs. Nice push. Nice push. Nice push. Right into market open. I still think it's trapping longs, but I mean it's a very nice push. I'm not gonna say it's not a nice push because it's good. Push Bitcoin, ya nambe pambe. Now you guys can say, put a 1 in the chat again and make us all jealous. Who's long? Who's long? Good job, everybody. Dave Digital's probably long. It's his birthday. NASDAQ continues to climb. No stopping it here. Bitcoin continues to climb. Solana hitting VWAP continues to climb. Damn, Daniel. Nice pushback. Very nice pushback. 495 people in here bringing in the pump together. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here, smacking up the like button, saying good morning. 10 minutes till market opens. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. If you do need an exchange, now I'm not the guy to shill exchanges, but I'm going to shill an exchange. The only exchange that I have ever shilled on this channel is Bitunix. So if you do want an exchange where you get VIP 3 for 6 months, you can use this code. Okay, this is the goods, man. I had to fight for this code. So if you do want this, VIP 6 exclusive AlexOCrypto deal for 3 months, 30% discount on fees, deposit bonuses, trading volume bonuses, okay? Very good deal. Very good deal. Okay? You can use that link, and that will hook you up. And Jesse Haluk is a member for 10 months. The campaign has ended February 9th. I will make sure the campaign is extended. I will message him right now. And if you do have any trouble signing up, come over to the Discord, open up a ticket, and I'll get your UID sorted for you. Looks like Bitcoin's resetting here. Solana resetting. Nice VWAP slap on Solana. See if it wants to continue to climb. Coming into market open. Trying to close above this high here on a higher term time frame. Let me see here. Five-minute close, 8-minute trying to close, 10-minute. 10-minute has closed. Okay. Push. 8 minutes till market opens, everybody. Solana VWAP slap. Bitcoin holding strong. Solana coming down. Potential long here if Solana wants to hold. Bitcoin rolling over? No. Solana just rolling over. Interesting. Nice slap on Solana. Nasdaq still climbing. Bitcoin rolling over. Considering a long here on Solana, possibly. Bitcoin holding VWAP or no? Coming into market open. Nice slap on Solana. Probably should have taken the short there on Sol. Nasdaq climbing. We'll see how the SPY opens this morning. ETH. Ugh. ETH just looks so bad lately. Look at the price action. It's so disgusting. If Bitcoin can push back here, we'll get long on Solana potentially. Failing to push out here on Solana. Bitcoin rolling over. Solana not holding here. Big sweep VWAP slap. Four minutes till market opens, everybody. Enticing buyers, right? Enticing buyers. Yeah. Rolling over. Rolling over. Solana rolling over. Bitcoin losing momentum here, losing VWAP. Sweep on Solana. Weakness on Bitcoin. No trade here, still waiting. You heard it here first. Bitcoin's going to 0. Rotation down. No trade here. Still waiting, everybody. Still waiting. Two minutes till market opens. Here comes the fun, guys. Into our sell wall. Solana retest a previous low short possibility here. What's going on, OC? Good to see you, bro. How you doing, man? Thanks for being here, Jojo. We got a minute and a half here going. Pushing up. Why did you take a trade? No trade. Still waiting. We're going to 64K today or tomorrow. Long and strong. Sol is dead. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Mm. 50 seconds till market opens here, everybody. Looking a little bit weak here on the NASDAQ. SPY looks like it could fall off a cliff. We got a V-shaped recovery on the ES, so we're probably going to gap up here on the SPY. We'll see. We shall see. 15 seconds. Solana rolling over VWAP slap. That was the trade right there, man. Bitcoin sell wall VWAP lost aggressively here. Seems bearish to me. Market is open. SPY gapping up this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, and hanging out. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful, beautiful day. Bitcoin trying to push out. Solana trying to push out. Coming into market open here. We'll see. Bitcoin pushing, looking strong. NASDAQ indecisive. SPY holding, trying to push out. Bitcoin flying. Solana flying. Breakout, retest, continuation on VWAP. Coming back down. Rejection. Can it push? Can it push? Solana trying to hold here. Solana trying to hold here. Tesla warning sign. SPY rolling over. NASDAQ dumping. Bitcoin dumping. Coming down. Trying to hold this momentum here. Trying to push out. Bitcoin can hold here. Might get long on Solana. Solana looks like in a better position here. Might consider a long here. Look to target back up to here. We'll see. Bitcoin's got to hold and go here. Same with the NASDAQ's got to hold. SPY is pushing. Looking bullish. Considering a long. Bitcoin's got to push here. Get above VWAP. Rolling over. No bueno. No bueno for Bitcoin. Retest the previous highs. Bitcoin failing. No trade. Can it bounce out of this little block here? Bitcoin's got to bounce here. Otherwise lower. Much lower. Painfully lower. Little fake out to start the morning. Down it goes. Can it push back? I mean, if it holds here and reclaims, that's bullish. If it holds here and reclaims, it's bullish. SPY's still pushing, guys. Considering a long here. It's got to push back. It's got to push back here. Nope. Big rejection. Push. Yinambe Pambe. Let's go. It's got to go here. Shakeout in the morning. Bitcoin's got to push here. CVD is increasing now. Still weak. Solana's looking better here. Considering a long Solana. NASDAQ. Not holding. SPY. Not holding. Bitcoin. No pushback. That's a good candle for Bitcoin. Long on Solana. No, don't do me like that. We'll see what happens here. Oh, I'm too early. Too early, man. Bitcoin falling off a cliff. They tricked me, I think. I think they tricked me here. Yeah. Gonna get stopped out here for $1,000. Stopped out. Shut up, Google. Stopped out. Solana rolling over. $1,800 loss on Solana. Right here. Yikes, man. $1,800 down on Solana. Bitcoin rolling over. Falling off a cliff here. Bitcoin's dying. Flip short on Solana. See if it can go. Come on, what are you doing, man? Taking it off there. Up 600 there. See if we can continue to roll over. No GGs today, man. Took that $1,800 loss. Bitcoin falling off a cliff here. Battling back, trying to go. Battling, trying to go. NASDAQ rolling over. There's the tell. Bitcoin trying to bounce here. Coming back for the lows. Pretty nasty dump this morning. Trying to hold on here. Hasn't taken this one low here, guys. Hasn't taken the one low. No trade yet. Still waiting. Looks like lower. Looks like lower to me. There it is. Big flush. Big flush. Big flush on Bitcoin. Bounce Bitcoin. Down with the Bitcoin. Down with the Bitcoin. No trade here, guys. Aggressive move down. The short was definitely the play, man. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. GG's. Do not enter long here. No, I wouldn't enter long here. Still waiting. 222s. 2s in the chat. 2s in the chat, everybody. Let's go. Send it to 0, right? Coming down to the pink box. NASDAQ rolling off a cliff. S&P falling over as well. Bitcoin falling over as well. Solana falling over as well. Bitcoin pushing back a little bit right now. Retest of previous lows. Continuation down. Possibility. Nice pushback here. We got a lot of volume down here, everybody. So we can see a potential pushback here. Potential for a pushback. Big SFP. Solana can still come for the lows, in my opinion. Can we roll over more? I think so. One minute, trying to bounce here. Bouncing. Bouncy castle. NASDAQ trying to bounce as well. Okay. SPY holding on for dear life. We get a little bounce on the NASDAQ. Little bounce on the Bitcoin. Little bounce on the soy boy Lana. Can we continue to roll over here? We shall see. No trade right now, still waiting. Retest of previous lows coming in. Considering a short here. Considering a short. Not yet. Not yet. Still waiting. NASDAQ's still rolling over. NASDAQ's coming lower right now. Okay, here we go. Yep. Let's dump it. Dump it. Nice and aggressive. Dump it. No? So weird. NASDAQ bouncing again. Big support down here. So Bitcoin's like literally struggling right now to roll over because we have massive support down here. We said it would be quick. This has got to be quick through here, though. Boom. It's got to go. Dump it. You can dump it. Go on. It's really just going to stall it out down here. Let's take its chance. Take the liquidity. Take the liquidity. Go on. Into our pink box, baby. Into our pink box. That's all you got to do. Whee! Go for a ride. Down we go. Geronimo. God, this is painful, everybody. Stopped out 1,200 in profit. It's just not rolling over, guys. It's not rolling over. Popping back up. Solana popping back up. I closed it, man. I closed it. $1,000. $1,000. I thought we would roll over. Now it's popping up. Big pushback here. Can Bitcoin push back? I still think it needs to roll over, but what do I know now? We're still waiting here at the lows, guys. Both at the same time. Are you guys schlonging? I mean, we're at the lows right now. Very, very critical support level here for Bitcoin. So rolling off a cliff here, but very big support level down in here. Retest to previous lows, continuation down is kind of the play, but retest to previous lows, continuation down, but Nasdaq's pushing back aggressively now. So it's a SPY, so I'm enticed to get long here. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Bitcoin push. Bitcoin can push. We're good to go. Bitcoin's got to go here. Push back. Back up to VWAP. Something like this. Nasdaq pushing back in the range. Bitcoin not doing anything, just flat. Oh, here we go. Push. Push. Come on, Biddy. Can it keep going? Can it keep going? Go Bitcoin. Be free. Be free. Nasdaq pushing back. SPY pushing back. Bitcoin looking for a bounce. Solana looking for a bounce. Reclaim of the range. Push back in. Trying to go here. Can it continue? Trigger wave to the upside. Solana coming back down. Maybe a fake out. Bitcoin fake out. Nasdaq continuing to push. Bitcoin failure to reclaim. Need to see some oomph here. Get going. Nasdaq showing strength. SPY showing strength. Bitcoin needs to follow here. Let's see if we can get long on Solana. Go Solana, you nambe pambe. Push. Push, you nambe pambe. Push. Stop loss to entry. Up 1,300. Let's go. Go to Valhalla, baby. Come on. Let's go. It's time to go all the way up for all this liquidity. We're going to go all the way to the highs today. GG's in the chat. Good recognition of the Nasdaq flipping. We'll see if we can continue here. Push. Push. Who's taking the trade? Showing you the trades. Let's go, baby. GG's in the chat. Play the song. I don't know what song you want me to play. The top blasting song. Let's go. Come on, man. Push. We want a big trade, man. It's been a while. Bitcoin climbing. NASDAQ. See, the NASDAQ was the tell, everybody. I'll teach you this. Magical stuff, man. Magical stuff. Reversal, continuation. See if Solana will push here. Stop loss to entry. So gay, man. This price action's absolutely grim, mate. Add to the trade here. Come on, Solana. Rotation to the highs. That's all we want. Rotation to the highs. Don't stop me out. Bitcoin, yeah, weak. We're going to get stopped out here. So gay. Put a 1 in the chat if I should close it. Put a 2 in the chat if I should hold it. You let me know. Should I hold this thing? I don't know. NASDAQ, SPY, Bitcoin. Come on, Solana. Push, man. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Bitcoin coming down. HODL. Add. 3 add. Down we go. I thought about adding, but not going to happen today. Bitcoin trying to climb. Come on, Solana. Get going, man. Get going, Solana. Get going, man. Can someone blow on the wick for me, please? A little wick whisperer. Anybody got a wick whisperer in their back pocket there? No? No wick whisperers? I'm going to get stopped out here. Stopped out. On to the next one. Bitcoin super gay. Order block retest. $10 here, top of the hour. NASDAQ, toppy. Bitcoin rolling over. Bounce Bitcoin. Should we re-enter Solana? It's a pretty nasty turnaround, though. NASDAQ topping out at the top of the range. Bitcoin's got to go here. Holding the range lows. Trying to go. Can we go? Can we go again? Solana, we're going again. We're going again on Solana. This is the one. This is the one right here. Let's go. Come on. No, stopped out. Some janky price action today, man. Bitcoin push, fail, and continuation up. Okay, so reclaiming lows here, guys. Solana failing. NASDAQ continues to climb. SPY continues to climb. Solana just being a douche canoe, not pushing out to the range highs, losing the lows again. Could roll over, actually. So no more trading Solana. Bitcoin, because there's so much volume down here, I'm inclined to think that it holds, but maybe chops sideways for a while after this market open. NASDAQ's cooling off a little bit here. Big sweep and bounce. Not breaking down, though, so that's a good sign. However, flat for the SPY as well. So for me, I'm just going to regret closing this trade. I think this can rotate back up, but I mean, hell, what do I know at this rate? Bitcoin needs to continue to push here. See if Solana follows suit to the top of the range kind of deal. Where are we sending you guys today? We're going to send you to Piper Academy again. Is he going to talk about retail sells? He says sells. He doesn't say sales. He says sells. He does a good job of that. Are we going live scalping in the Discord today? We're going right over to the Discord, aren't we? We are. We are, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're going over to the Discord, live scalping. Hanging out. That's going to be fun. Bitcoin just chopping here. NASDAQ weakness. SPY weakness. We still got 10 minutes here. We'll see what happens. Bitcoin looks like it wants to roll over, if I'm being honest. It looks like it's ready to fucking fall down. Market cipher trying to push. Solana, weakness at the lows. No, poor follow through for Solana. I would like to see Solana rotate to the highs here, like up into here. Something like that. Just not showing any signs of strength. Anchor trigger here. 5 minute. 8 minute. These all look good. But it's not following through. It's not pushing out, right? This bull div is not diving. It's not diving. Anchor trigger wave trying to push out, right? NASDAQ continuing to climb. SPY continuing to climb. We should just trade the ES at this point. Bitcoin rolling over again. It's just, yeah, it looks like shite. Just shite. Slowly climbing up, creating liquidity down below here. Bitcoin's got to come up to VWAP. Go. Go, go, go. Push, 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 push. Finally. Finally, man. There we go. Fuck yeah. There we go. Up 4,000. Jeez, that took forever, man. That took forever. My goodness. Whoa. I just lost my lamp. I just lost my screen and my lamp. I guess the market makers really don't like me today. All right. Are we back? I just knocked over my screen and my lamp. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Guys, we're going to Valhalla. This is going to be a $20,000 trade. Let's go, baby. Let's go, man. That's fucking sick, man. Congratulations. We called the longs, man. We told you longs. Look at the NASDAQ, guys. Oh, baby, baby. Solana to 86. Good job, everybody. Good job. Jeez. So when you get a runner, a lot of the times what I will do is I'll put this on the 15-minute time frame, and it makes things a lot more relaxed. Does anybody else do that? You go to a higher term time frame and you just... No? Yeah? I mean, you're here on the 1 minute. You're like, oh my God, it's coming down. We're going to zero. What do you guys think? Leave it to run? I think we leave it to run. Hanging man engulfing candle on the 3 minutes, guys. Bread and butter. Front ran that shit hard. Anyways. Bullish momentum. Add. Leave it. $38.73. What's your daily P&L? P&L? I don't know. It's nice, man. It's nice. Is that an answer? What's your daily P&L? It's nice. I think that's plenty. My God, this could easily come up to here. I'm not trying to get opium, but I mean, this is the low. If this is the low, I'm not saying this is the low, but if this is the low, this looks like a pretty good low for Bitcoin. It's got to get above this momentum and continue, but it's coming back for me, guys. NASDAQ strong. Yep. SPY strong. Yep. Little retracement, continuation. ETH. Guys, don't even touch ETH, man. I wouldn't even tell Vitalik Buterin to use ETH. That's absolutely grim, mate. Absolutely grim. I hammered this trade. 800,000 position size. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up. Possible. We'll see. We'll see. Bitcoin's got to keep going here. It's got to flip VWAP. VWAP slap here for Bitcoin. Little retracement possibility right now. Zooming in here. VWAP slap. Retest of support in here. And continuation up possibility. Is Solana going to come back for me, man? That is so gay if it does. It is, isn't it? I should have taken it off, man. $2,000. Yep. It just took me out. Fucking bullshit, man. Fucking bullshit. They hunting, man. That's crazy. Wow. Well, that was fun while it lasted. Some great trades. Showing the trades, taking the trades. Discord live. We'll see if we can re-enter. Make some more money. Happy days. On to the next one. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Or tonight. Asia. We got Asia tonight. Let's go. Let's go, baby. God bless you. I'll see you guys later. Sending you over to the Piper Academy. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.